present leveraging digital transformation with advanced asset management. So what is the purpose of this session? And it's really just that bold point right there, right? We're talking about leveraging industrial IoT, edge computing, analytics, machine learning, AI, and about how they've opened up this wide and new world and new opportunities within old opportunities for maintenance functions. So some of the trends that we've seen an evolution from CMMS to EAM, to advanced EAM and APM. While some of these solutions that have been present under EAM and are moving to advanced EAM and APM, they're not new, like expanded mobility, connected workers, IoT, predictive analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning. They've been more a la carte options. They were an add-on. They weren't integrated into the system. So I'm going to talk briefly about asset management levels. You have level 1 with your manual, reactive, run to failure, CMMS. You have level 2, automated, planned maintenance, CMMS, some EAM features. You have level 3, preventative, integrated, CMMS, robust EAM capabilities. Level 4 is predictive, which is your advanced EAM, starting to see APM. You have sensors, IIoT. You have integration, interoperability, multi-site, multi-function capabilities. And then finally, level 5, which is the holy grail everybody's trying to get to, is intelligent prescriptive. Here you see your asset optimization, your Industry 4.0, analytics, advanced EAM, and APM. Some parts of this, especially level 4, data analytics, you have the integration sharing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, your mobility. Mobility is a great thing. How many of you have cell phones on you right now? Raise your hands. Everybody's hand should go up. Having that in a workforce, fantastic, because now you can actively check your maintenance. And virtual reality and digital twins, or if you were in Preet's last session, XR, extended reality, that's invaluable for maintenance operations. So I want to talk about the hierarchy of analytics a little bit. At the bottom, you have descriptive analytics, your quantitative research and data, what has happened, why is there gum in my machine? Beyond that, you have diagnostics analytics. So why did this happen? Why is there gum in my machine? That's your qualitative information. Beyond that, you have predictive analytics, what's likely to happen. That's your patterns and performance. There's where you really start to see ML and AI start to take over. And it's your machine going, we're noticing that something's out of spec or it's out of line. Maybe you should come look at this. And it usually results in a push notification. And then at the top of that pyramid, we have prescriptive analytics, which is insight with outcome. It builds upon predictive analytics. So not only do you have patterns of, okay, there's gum going to appear in this machine after 6 days, it's now, how do we make it happen? How can we automate the process? Why is there gum in my machine every 6 days? Well, it's because I have a maintenance technician coming in, doing a site maintenance, and he drops his gum into the machine. So just real briefly on asset performance management, it's an umbrella term about all of the advanced enterprise asset management that is used to meet your business goals. So all of this, your practices and your applications, your RCM, FMEA, FSM, your assets in use, your robots, cobots, drones, digital twin, XR, all of that together to meet your business goals. Are you trying to hit a business transformation? Do you have a customer market-driven production model that you're trying to get to? Is there risk and cost maintenance? Are you trying to hit ESG goals? So I wanted to ask one last time, and I want to show you the slide. Where do you think your company's at on this asset management? Are you at level 1? Is anybody at level 2? Is anybody at level 3? Hands to the sky. There we go. Anybody at level 4? All right. Anybody to level 5? All right. Thank you.